question or put what you need in the comment to let me know that. And this is like the small scale version. And we also got the large scale gari projection line just like this. So first of all, you have to collect all of the cassava tubers, and then by using the dry side, the paddle washing machine, the peeler, hydraulic presser, hammer crusher, and hydraulic presser, hammer crusher, gari fryer, and through the packer to make it. This is like the bigger scale gari processing line. And also this is about our project cases that we have done before. Yeah, check about it. It's all about the garis. Especially our company has established since 2011. So far we got more than 13 years experiences providing the equipment. And then that is all about our gari processing projects before. And this is for cassava starch and cassava flour processing plant of project cases. Our companies, our machines have already exported to more than 30 countries, more than 40 countries. So no matter where do you live, you can find about our provided projects. And if you want to have a visit, we can definitely show you more information about the provided cases. Or if you do have any questions, put it in the comment to let me know that. And this is our company, this is what we can do, and this is about our certificates. So let's start by showing the 3D videos, and let's see for the gari processing line. So if you do have anything you want to ask here, just directly shoot it in the comment, let me know, so that I can definitely tell you more about our company and more about our processing technology. Yeah, let's go start with showing you the gari processing 3D videos. And over here we will detail explain about the technology that we got. Hold a second, let me go with a simple page so that I can put the 3D video there. You will not feel like, yeah, let me just put it here. Yeah, see, this is about our gari processing line. This is like the feeding hopper. Hey, welcome to the live stream. If you do have any question, just put your question in the comment and let me know that. Hold a second, let me check about the. Can you guys hear me? The voice and the picture, it is going right? Yeah, welcome. So this is our dry side, really simple structure, and this is our paddle washer. So for this paddle washer, it is mainly used to wash our cassava tubers thoroughly. Double slot, single slot, or triple slot, you can totally do it according to your needs. And the water, this machine is also adopt counter-current washing principle, which the final washing effect, it is really good. And there is a bottom net and a stone sink design, it is adopted at the bottom, so which means all of the impurities will collect here. So after this whole system shut down, you can open about it and wash about the impurities regularly. And the next one, it is actually about our cassava peeling machine. According to the material, it can be made into contact material stainless steel and or stainless steel. And there are 3 types according to the processing capacity, like 1 tons per hour, 2 tons per hour, and 5 tons per hour. And the skin of cassava, it is hard and the inside is fragile. There are 2 layers of skin. The first brown skin is very thin and it is very easy to remove, but it has always been a problem to fully remove the second hard cuticle without damaging the inside. Our company developed the cassava peeling machine, adopt the sand roller peeling machine to peel off the hard cuticle of cassava one by one without damaging the inside. And the surface and the of the processed cassava is smooth and beautiful with less loose. It is mainly used in the epitomes and substantial circle of cassava raw materials removal, and the equipment it is widely used in raw material peeling treatment of cassava products such as gari production line, cassava slice processing, small cassava flour processing. And the friction between the material and the sand roller, I mean the peeling is clean and thorough, and the peeling rate can reach more than 95%. The sand roller peeling can peel off the cassava epitomes and the second layer of the skin in one piece, so the surface of the material after peeling is smoother and the degree of material loose it is really low. It works with the spray header during the working process. During the peeling process, it is cleaned while peeling, and the water emery closed has a better peeling effect if there's water. And the spray water is also continuous on the emery roller and the cassava raw materials for washing. Like on the one hand, you can wash without the drags attached on the water sandpaper. I mean, it maintains friction so that the peeling of cassava can be continuous good. And on the other hand, the cassava is rinsed so that the peeled cassava can directly enter the subsequent processing. A drag collection device is designed at the bottom of the equipment to avoid the splashing of residues and swatch. It is recommended to dig a drainage system on the ground to keep the workshop clean. And the peeling machine is equipped with a 4-stage motor and a reducer. The speed of the 4-stage motor is generally rotates 1,500 rounds in 1 minute. Considering the sleep rate, the actual operation is about 1,450 rounds in 1 minute. So the reducer is required to reduce the speed. And the speed of the sand roller and the screw auger can be adjusted. The speed of the sand roller is adjusted by the frequency converter, and the screw auger is adjusted by the step-less speed regulation. And hand wheel above the feeding port of the peeling machine. When the cassava raw material has more soil when it is in time, you can properly adjust the speed of the sand roller and slow down the speed of the auger to ensure that the raw material achieves an ideal peeling effect and vice versa. This is our peeling machine, and the peeling effect it is really good. And for the wearing parts, there are so many people asking about the wearing parts for this peeling machine. Like our emery roll is designed with the round roll wrapped with emery paper. It only needs to change the sandpaper after the long-term operation, instead of replacing all of the entire roll, which will reducing the operating cost. And when the peeling machine works normally, it will run 24 hours a day, and the sandpaper needs to be replaced every 2 months. So when changing the sandpaper, it is mainly the middle roller. It depends on the actual situation, and it is not necessary to replace all of them. And the baffles on both sides of the equipment have a special design which is convenient of changing rolls. And as for the water consumption, like it is totally depends on the condition of the material. If the material is dirty, you will use more of the water, and if it is clean, you will use less. Generally, it is 1 to 1.5 tons of water per hour, and the spray water pipe is equipped with a ball valve which can control the water volume according to the opening size of the valve. And the next one is about our crusher. It is used to crush cassava tubers, and the particle size of the crushed material it is relatively large, which can retain the original flavor of cassava, and it is widely used in gari processing line or other cassava processing industry that do not require high crushing particle size. This is our crusher, and the equipment structure mainly includes about the liquor-in rollers, tools, the shafts, adjustment plates, racks, transmissions, and motors. And the crushed material is directly discharged to the discharge port. If you do have any questions, you can just directly put your question in the comments. Still waiting for your comments, ladies and gentlemen. And by the way, this is Oliver from Henan Holdings. After the crusher, normally we will do the fermentations for 2 to 3 days so that we can better to do the dewatering machine by using the hydraulic press. this one is our dewatering machine. So let me show you more about the dewatering machine, the structure. The hydraulic dehydrator is composed of a hydraulic station, hydraulic disc, cylinder, barrel, control cabinet, pressure gauge, and the motor rotates to drive the output of hydraulic oil, and the output direction of the hydraulic oil is controlled by the solenoid valve to drive the oil cylinder to reciprocate back and forth, and the hydraulic plate goes up and down together to realize the extraction and dehydration of the material. And the hydraulic oil in the hydraulic station, it is recyclable. There's no need to add them or replace them. And compared with the cylinder, the oil cylinder can generate a great pressure, and the maximum can reach more than 50 tons, and the pressure it is really stable. The pressure holding capacity it is relatively strong. The dehydration of cassava material can achieve a lower moisture content of 38% to 40%, to reducing the subsequent frying energy consumption during the frying process. By the slight weight design on both sides of the bottom is convenient for pushing and pulling the barrel, and it is easy to put in or take out materials. And the operator is relatively simple and easy to use. It is also equipped with commercially available standard casters, which is convenient for customers to replace and maintain. Also, there is a tray for collecting starch water at the bottom of the barrel. When the material is extruded and dehydrated, it will not be directly discharged on the ground. It will be collected by the tray. On the one hand, it will ensure the cleanliness of the workshop floor, and on the other hand, it will also collect pure starch slurry, dry to obtain pure typical starch. Considering that the finished product of cassava pressing is for people to eat, the overall material of this equipment it is made of food grade 304 stainless steel. And the accessories, do you have commonly used accessories including the O-rings, solenoid valve collies, which are shipped together with the equipment and are equipped with the detailed operation manuals to ensure that the customer can replace them by yourself. This is our dehydrator. If you guys do have any questions, directly put your question in the comment to let me know that you do want to know more. And the next one is about our screw conveyor. And you transport our garri skin to the next part, which is our crusher, and then it is our fryer. And this one is our fryer. The work is used for the processing of gari, which is divided into stirring system and a heating system. The agitating system of the stirring system is driven by the motor, and the heating system can adapt electric heating, gas fuel, and fuel oil. You can choose it according to your needs. And the stirring method of the frying pan is eccentric stirring. The stirring shaft is divided into large shaft and small shaft. The large shaft revolves around the center of the pot body, and the small shaft rotates on its own. There is no dead angle in the stirring, and the material is heated sufficiently and evenly to prevent the phenomenon of sticking. The blade of the stirring shaft is made of food grade nylon 66 material, which is resistant to high temperature. And the blade can be turned over, and the angle is flexible, which is convenient for fully stirring the material and making it evenly heated. The heating part adopts the form of electric heating or gas fuel heating conduction oil, which has the advantage of large heating areas and high thermal efficiency. And there is a special observation port on the frying pan heated by fuel and gas, which can observe the composition status of the fuel, which is convenient for monitoring. And the work with the electric heating method has the interlayer, which contains the conduction oil. Heat transfer oil is a kind of special oil with the better thermal stability. It is used for indirect heat transfer. It has the uniform heating, accurate temperature control, can generate a high temperature under low vapor pressure, good heat transfer effect, energy saving, convenient transportation and operation. The frying pan adopts an advanced sealing structure to ensure that the heat transfer oil will not leak and the operation is safer, and the spontaneous ignition point of the heat transfer oil is higher than 100 degrees. Even if the heat transfer oil leaks due to improper operation, it will not cause a fire accident. On the other hand, this is the design of sealing structure also ensures the cleanliness of the transmission part of the pot body, and the quality of the finished product, it is really good. The amount of the heat transfer oil is estimated to be about 50 liters, and the heat transfer oil models are 320, 350, and 360. The higher the number, the higher the temperature resistance. And the heat transfer oil can be recycled. There is a special filling port on the frying pan. Fill the heat transfer oil from the oil filling port until the oil overflows from the overflow port, or fill quantitatively. After the heat transfer oil filling is completed, close the ball valve at the overflow port. And the work adopts stepless frequency conversion speed regulator to adjust the speed and power, and the operation is more stable. Turn on the power switch, set the control temperature, turn on the heating control switch to start heating, and add material to start production after reaching the set temperature. Steering speed and heating temperature can be set through the control panel, which is easy to operate, and high in work efficiency. The whole frying pan is made of 304 food grade stainless steel, and the thickness of the bottom of the pan, it is like 4 millimeters, which is durable. And the frying pan is designed to be tideable, which solve the problem of deep cold material discharge. The rack and pinion structure drive the pot body to turnover with a large transmission ratio. The pot body can be tidal to any angles without effort, which is convenient for discharging. To reduce labor force and improve production efficiency, it can also be designed as an automatic discharge system controlled by the cylinder according to your needs without manual operation. Hey, welcome to the live stream IT. This is Oliver from Hunan Doing Holdings. And the work for the fryer is composed of a pot body, frame body, a steering system, heating system, a speed adjusting transmission device, steering shaft, and a pot body turning system. It rotates reasonable, compact structure, convenience installation, simple operation, easy to maintain. So if you like to know more detailed information for this garri fryer, like by watching the pictures, checking the pictures and watching the videos, contact with us by put your email address or your WhatsApp number or any of the detailed informations in the comments, so that we will contact with you immediately to show you more about our processing technology. And currently we are showing you the garri processing line. If you guys want to know more, just let me know. We can provide you about the garri processing line, cassava, potato, sweet potato, starch processing line, cassava, flour processing line. It is all about our business. So if you do want to know more, let me know by sharing your information in the comments. And then it is our vibration side. Hey, welcome to the live stream. Hi, how are you? How are you? And then it is our packaging machine. If you do have any questions, directly put your question in the comment to let me know that you are here and you want to know more detailed information about that. This is about the garri processing line. And let's see if there are any new video that we can show it here. I believe you guys have already know a lot of things about our companies, right? Because basically every live stream we will introduce about our company. Our brief introduction about our company is like Doing holdings. Oh, there is a holder which is really cool. Henan Doing Holdings, founded in 2011, is an industrial diversified machinery manufacturing company. It has 6 corporate entities: 新向 doing renewable engineering equipment, 焦作 City doing mechanical equipment manufacturing, and also Henan doing environmental protection technology, Henan doing mechanical equipment, Henan Glory Oil and Fats Engineering Company, Henan Jinri Food Engineering Company, and Henan doing Machinery Nigeria with overseas warehouse. Our company, it is based in China, but our overseas office and overseas warehouse, it is all based in Nigeria, Sagamo Lagos, Nigeria. So if you are living in the nearby countries or nearby cities, welcome to have a visit. At the High Innovation National Corporation integrating foreign trade with industry, Doing Holdings Company typified the core advantage of 3 plus 3 plus 5, which the 3 means 3 major brands: Henan Doing, Henan Glory, and Henan Jinri. Henan, like 3 major strengths, it is like the reputation, public praise, and platform. 5 integrated advantages are R&D, manufacturing, consulting, installation, and after-sales service. And Doing Holdings is principally engaged in R&D and manufacturing top-quality intelligent equipment, including solid waste, hazardous waste treatment process plant, and related environmental protection equipment, waste metal and plastic separation and recycling equipment, waste cables, circuit boards, and other electric waste processing equipment, 4 sets of oil and fat processing equipment, 4 sets of processing equipment for all kinds of the powder and starch. Our products have been exported for more than 120 countries and regions, and well appreciated by our customers. Like Doing Holding prides ourselves on debate or obtaining a number of utility model patents and invention patents, boasting tremendous technological strengths, and our independent technical R&D team has professional manufacturing and service capabilities to provide customers with personalized equipment solutions and full cycle services. Hey, if this is your first time coming here, do give me the subscribe so that next time when we do a live stream will be noticed directly. And tomorrow we will doing one of the live stream in our factory. So if you are living in, if you do got the time tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, you can come here and visit about our check about our live stream at that time. Maybe you will find something. Like our brand idea is we are doing, and our business philosophy is quality first, credit foremost, and our corporate values it is enjoying, growing up, and fighting. Doing Holdings always adhere our corporate values, business philosophy, and brand idea to be socially responsible and contribute to the global environmental protection machinery manufacturing industry. Besides, we are taking efforts to strengthen Doing brand research and develop the equipment technology, endeavoring to realize the vision of becoming an international leading comprehensive machinery manufacturer company. And that is about Henan Doing. But as for Henan Jinri, which we can provide you the equipment for all kinds of powders and starch and garis. It is a subsidiary company of Doing Holdings. Is a comprehensive starch and flour processing equipment manufacturer, integrating technological design, research, and development, machine production, sales, and after-sales service. And we can provide all types of production line and single equipment, including Cassava starch processing machine, Cassava sweet Cassava starch processing machine, yam starch processing machine, Cassava flour processing machine, yam flour processing machine, fufu flour processing machine, and gari processing machine. So if you are doing those business, contact with us by leave your WhatsApp number or your email address in the comments. And Henan Jiren not only possesses an independent technology R&D team who have obtained a number of utility, model patents and invention patents, but also the professional manufacturing team and after-sales team to guarantee you the product quality and user experiences. Besides, we have the branch office and overseas warehouse in Nigeria, Africa to provide customer convenience of picking up machines from warehouse directly. And Henan Jiren never stops to seek for development since its establishment. We always adhere to our quality principle, improving the level of our machinery manufacturing technology consistently to provide our customers new process, new technology, and new products with higher standards and quality. Up to now, our products have sold to more than 40 countries and regions and around the world, winning great praises and trust for our customers all over the world. Hey, how are you? Mr. Dabrooks, welcome to the live stream. If you are coming here for the first time, give me the subscribe so that tomorrow or the day after tomorrow you will be noticed that we are doing a live stream in the factory. So if you want to check about the materials, like the equipments, you can come back here 2 days later, tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, we will have the live stream. How are you? How are you? If there's anyone is here, say something. This is Oliver from Henan, China. From Henan Jun Holdings, but our overseas office and overseas factory warehouse, it is all based in Nigeria. If you do have the interest to know more about our company or about our present technology, simply say something here or just let me know. It is kind of board here. Just showing you the 3D videos and about the page and about the thing. It is kind of bored. I need some people to chat. And for these 3D videos, it is about our fermentations. Normally it will take 2 to 3 days for the fermentation, but it is not like it will depend on the real situations. And then it is a hydraulic presser. Especially for this hydraulic presser, I'm not sure how many of you guys wanted to know more for this one. How are you? Alright, let's see what is new here. The above options are just a few of the common hot options. In addition to, Henan Jiren Company can customize different type of high quality gari production line plan according to the customer's needs. Please leave a message or call us to tell your specific needs and get the latest free quotation. This is our gari protecting plan project case. It is all done. All of the machines, it is produced by ourselves and shipped by ourselves. So the cost, it is pretty good deals. And this the provides project cases for cassava starch and cassava flour processing line. This is our company's profiles. let's see if there are any new videos that I can show you. Is there any new video that I can show you guys about? Hey, how are you? This is Oliver from Henan Holdings, and let's check about. I think it is like the same. Is it? No, it is not. It is not the same. Let's check about this one. So this is our complete gari production line. So we do have the gari fryer, the crusher, the cassava peeler, bell conveyor, grinding machine, screw conveyor, fermentation station, and hydraulic press. So we got the cassava first, and we will through all of the cassava tubers will go through for the gari processing machine, and finally we'll collect the garis. Factory direct sales, there is no middleman, fast delivery, professional R&D team, elaborate craftsmanship. And this is for the gari production line. It's all about the videos. The equipment it is over here. Dry side, paddle washer, peeler, grater, fermentation, press, crush, fry, and vibration side and package. So this is about the advantage for the different machines. For the dry side, advantage stable rotating speed of the inner spirals, because there is a spiral, it is inside. And we got the paddle washing machine. Yeah, and also you guys can check about these machines over here, like the advantage for all of the machines. The first one is about the dry side, stable rotating speed of the inner spiral, and when it is working, it will rotate in regular speed, so no worry about how do we maintain about the equipment. All right. And the second is about the paddle washing machine. Good washing and peeling effect. In the bottom there is a bottom net and a stone sink design. Counter current washing principle. And according to your needs, we can make it into a single slot or double slot or triple slot according to your needs to prolong the washing process. And next is about the cassava peelers, a high peeling rate which can reach more than 95%. And then we will get the gari fryer, control the temperature and automatically, eccentric steering. And this is like the new versions and the old versions. We have already updated about the machines for several of the times. And the final gari rate is getting higher and higher. And these are our projects. Just like I said, our equipments have already exported for more than 40 countries. Check about it. And we received a lot of good reputations and good feedback from our provides clients and customers. And yes, you guys can see over here. And this is about our companies, Henan Journey Engineering Company. And for the top left picture that I'm pointing right now, it is like the office which is in Henan, China. And the left two pictures which is took in Henan, China, but for the right two pictures, it is our factories, and our company has established since 2011. So in this picture, it is at Celebrate Doing Holdings for the establishment for the 10 years anniversary. And currently, we got more than 2,000 customers and have already exporting for more than 30 countries. And we got more than 50 technical engineers. We can provide 24 hours a day, 7 days a week technical support. We got more than 100,000 intention customers, and we got more than 20 professional installations team. And this is about our certificates. That is not all of our certificates, but due to the limited space, we can only show you about this certificate, but actually we got more of that. So do you guys have any questions? If you do, let me know by put your question or put what do you want to know in the comments so that I can show you more about our company, about our printing technology. And let me check about the live stream table, like when is the next live stream, because for the next times we will do a live stream in our factory, which you will definitely knowing more about our companies, knowing more about our factories. Yes, if you do interested about that, come back, let me check about it. For tomorrow's live stream, yeah, I mean for tomorrow we will do the live stream in our factory. Tomorrow it is kind of like the same hour, but maybe 2 hours earlier than today. So yeah, tomorrow, I mean in China's time, it is 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. we will do the live stream in the factory. If you want to know, come back tomorrow at China's time, 3 to 4 p.m. And alright, that is all about our gari processing line. I'm not sure if there, let me check about if there anyone is watching. If you guys do have questions, let me know. Otherwise, this live stream will be end. I will ending it after 20 minutes later. Yes. Welcome here. Happy to see you guys around here. Alright, how about let's put our sales email address in the comment? Yeah, let me do that. That is our telephone number and WeChat number, and also our email address. I will put it in the comments. If you guys want to contact with us, contact it right now. Our telephone number and WhatsApp number, it is +86 135 2661 5783, and our email address, it is sales@doingmachinery.com. sales@doingmachinery.com. Welcome coming here. Let's just wait for more questions. If there's no more, I will end it after 20 minutes later. Hey, happy to see you around. Today it is Tuesday, and right now it is 5:30 in China's time, and we are the most professional producers for all of the machines, especially for the cassava starch, cassava flour, potato starch, sweet potato starch, and gari processing line. If there's any business that you are currently doing, please let me know by put anything that you're interested in the comment, or directly contact with us, or DM us about what can I do for you, what can we do for you, and our engineers can also give you a customized design according to your needs. So if you want to do the business, and if you don't know what kind of machines you have to order, like how do we set the place, like the how do we place the machines in the factory, and how much space, how much rooms it will take for the whole factory, contact with us. We can provide you all of the informations in a really high efficient way. And we are the producers. There are a lot of companies purchasing the equipment from us, so they will ask some price. The price for their firm, it is not that good, but for our company, we produce it, we sell it, and the price, it is really good. So if you want to get the equipment in a really great deals, you should contact with us. Still got 15 minutes to go. Why still have 15 minutes to go? This is about the machine that we got. And let me show you something about our machines. Welcome here. Let's see the dry side first. This is the video that our provider client sent for us for the dry side. This is how does it work. Put all of the material into the machine, it will rotate on its own, and there are like inner spiral, so it will push all of the materials moving forward, and during this time it will remove the impurities, especially for those big impurities and tiny impurities. I mean, for this video they got a small scales of the potatoes, but if your capacity is going bigger, or if you do want to set a large scale, you can easily use a feeding port, and sometimes you can plus one of the truck to make it. It will saving like the labor cost and saving the time, bring up the efficiency, speed up the efficiency. This is our dry sieve, and next thing it is about our screw conveyor. You can easily adjust about its angle according to your need, and you can speed it up or lower the speed according to your needs. It's like more like this is more like a flexible machines. You can choose whatever you want to be. And the next thing is about our paddle washer, and this one I have to announce again, it is a small scale. We can provide you double slot machines or triple slot machines according to your needs. And also you guys can see in the middle there is a roller, and there are spirals. It is on the surface, so when it's working, the spirals will also rotate to push the raw materials moving forward. So all of the cassava tubers will moving from the inlet to the outlet. And at the bottom, I have already said so many times, there's a bottomnet and stone sink design. So all of the heavy stones or some like fine sands or some pure impurities will drop at there. When the whole system shut down, you can clean about it. And what is the most important? It is a job counter current washing principle. The water's flow direction is totally against the raw material's flow direction, which to achieve the high washing effect. No matter for 1 tons per day or 2 tons, 5 tons, 10 tons, 20 tons, 40 tons, 100 tons per day equipment, we can all produce that. So if you want that machines, contact with us. We can produce it, we can ship it without any other companies get involved. So the price is pretty good. This is the dry side. And let's move into the paddle washing machine. This is our paddle washer. This is more like a double slot one, and for this machine it have already been used for several of the years. And we also put water in it to washing it and transport it at the same time, so that to saving the labor cost and achieve a high efficiency washing effect. And let's see another one. This is also our paddle washer. And for this case, it is in Southeast Asia areas. I'm not sure who took it, but it is in the Southeast Asia areas. Let's check in one video for the feeding hopper. I know some of you guys will be interested about the machines like the feeding hopper. As for the price, it varies a lot according to your basic needs and detailed informations, because different people got different situations. Some will directly purchase the equipment from the market, while some will get them from the farmland. So the situation is not like the same. So the machines, it is not the same, and the price, it is not the same. Hey, if you are checking the videos here, come in and show me what can I do for you. Tell me what can I do for you. This is the gari production line. And if there's no further question, I believe 10 minutes later I will ending the live stream, and to have that will be the time for me to off work. Still got 20 minutes to go, but the live stream I will still do it, continue to do it for 10 minutes more, 10 more minutes. These are the machine that we need. Okay, so I guess there's no one watching it, right? Let me check about who's watching and who's outside. How's your Tuesday going so far? How's everyone's Tuesday going so far? Hey Vladimir, Alam Saw, welcome to the live stream. This is Oliver from Honanjun Holdings. I'm from Russia. Hey, how are you? Happy to see you. This is Oliver from China, and we are showing you the gari production line. If you want to do the gari business, you can just let me know. And for today's live stream, we will still do it for 7 minutes. We are not only provide you the potato, sweet potato and cassava starch processing line, but also for the cassava flour and the gari processing line, we can also provide you that. So no matter if you want to do any kind of the powder business, we can provide you the machines and the equipments. Welcome, welcome, and welcome. I mean, yeah, I have detail explain about our machines and about our companies, and if there's anything interested about the pressing line or about the machines, you should contact with us to saving your time and saving our times, which is benefits both of us. And by the way, especially since in recent years we started to have our overseas warehouse, overseas office in Nigeria. If you are living in nearby countries or nearby cities, it is really convenient for both of us to do the business, saving the shipping cost and saving like the shipping time, shipping days. It is really, we can make the business in a really high efficient way. Our company have started to do the starch and powder business since 2011. So far we got more than 13 years to do that. And if you like to know more about our provide cases, easily say something in the comments, because we will contact with you, and especially our assistant will contact with you immediately, showing you the 3D videos and about our detailed information for the machines. I believe it will help you a lot. Alright, I believe that will be all for today's live stream, and wish you guys have a really wonderful Tuesday. This is Oliver from Honanjun Holdings. We what's this? Oh, when did I see here? Oh, let's see something. I just found something that is really helpful for you guys. First of all, let's see the peeling machine. Yes, there are a lot of peeling machines. Yeah, let's see about the peeling machine. This is about its inside, and this is the bottom emery paper, and this is how does it look like. I mean, it is our design. This is the inside. And all of the picture it is took in the factory, in the Chinese factory. This is all about the peeling machine. And there's one more thing I want to show you, which is about the gari. Yeah, let's go with the dry side. This is the dry side, and this is the fryer. This is the peeling machine, a vibration sieve, a crusher, and the fryer again. And this is about the whole factory that we have done in Africa before. And this is the reception station, reception part. Gari also. fryer also. This is the fryer's inside. This is about the final garri that we got. Crusher and the like the hydraulic presser. Yeah. This is also what we do for the shipping. All of the machines will directly take out from our factory and to your workshop. So the shipping it is so quick. And let's see, maybe there's some other videos that I can show. Oh no, there's no more videos. Anyway, I believe you guys have already seen a lot of information about our company. That will be all for today's live stream. And this is our provide cases. One more time. In Madagascar, it's all of our machines. Alright, that's all. Wish you have a really wonderful Tuesday, and I will see you guys tomorrow at 3 to 4 p.m. in China's time. At that moment, we will show you some the real factory that we got in Henan, China. Alright, I will see you guys tomorrow at 3 to 4 p.m. Wish you guys have a really wonderful Tuesday. Bye bye.